Hello, Soul Family, and welcome to another review. पिछले काफ़ी टाइम से मैं जनरल गाइडेंस के डेक्स के रिव्यूज़ डाल रही थी, तो मैंने सोचा कि अब थोड़े लव से रिलेटेड डेक्स को भी कवर कर लेते हैं। तो ये है सिचुएशन लव ओरेकल डेक, और ये मैंने अमेज़ॉन से ख़रीदा था 799 रुपीज़ का। अब इसके प्राइसेस आई थिंक थोड़े कम हो गए हैं, और ये डेक बुक्स वैगन पे अवेलेबल नहीं है, ये केवल अमेज़ॉन पे अवेलेबल था। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं कि इस डेक में क्या क्या लिखा हुआ है, क्या मैसेजेस हैं इस डेक के। और ये डेक मैं जनरली लव रीडिंग्स के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ। काफ़ी अच्छा डेक है, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है ये। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Addiction, codependent, obsession, restraint, possession and control, emotional block. Abundance, positive mindset, manifest, gratitude and bliss, blessings. Heartbroken, deeply hurt, sad, feeling lost, grieving and despair, breakup. Girl with a snake, charmed or used, enable boundaries. Death, a relationship is over, no second chance, grow and transform, what is dead is dead. Phoenix, new face and rekindle, renew and growth, changed mind, rise from ashes. Backstabbing, heartbreak, pain, separation and loss, deception and lies, shocking attack. Date, get back out there, meeting someone new, setting a date, date online. The Golden Mirror, narcissist, love bombing, self absorbed, one sided. The Dragonfly, light hearted and adept, finding out and change, things coming to light and heal. Not today, boundaries and hurt, avoiding conversation, not dealing, still upset. Picture, looking at pictures, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. The Butterfly, evolving and growth, next phase, healing inner child, releasing the past. Camera, reminiscing, making memories, learn from the past, perception. The Runner, fear of intimacy, running away, intensity and letting go, turmoil and fleeting. Engagement ring, higher commitment, eternity, partnership and union, completion. Coffin, new beginnings, liberation, reborn and transition, tragic endings. Sunglasses, watching, looking, perception, stalking. Partying, time with friends, having fun, happily single, living in the moment. Teddy bear, interested in you, blooming romance, flirting, want to date. Self indulgence, self worth and value, time to heal, shadow work, self appreciation. Old school, outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. The Chaser, fear of abandonment, chasing codependencies. Mirror, mirroring each other, self reflection, introspection, inner wounds. Twin flame, yin yang and balance, union and duality, complement, polar opposites. Healing heart, healing heartbreak, toxicity or addiction, abusive relationship. Key on the ring, many options, unconventional, one night stand, string along. Cut down, cutting out, separation, stop the pattern, silent treatment. Not enough, lacking confidence, self sabotage, ego and fear, frustrations. Coffee cup, meeting and talking, savoring the moment, feeling elevated, building friendship. Healthy choices, self love and self care, being happier, love and life. Love, unconditional love, self love and wholeness, affection and attraction, selflessness. Mask, hiding true feelings, pretending or deluded, gaslighting or personify. The snake, competition and enemy, the other woman, looking over your shoulder. Soulmates, soul connection, partnership, soul contract, life partner. Clock, needing time, cycles and takes time, time to heal, progressing. Poker face, taking a chance, risks and options, not showing hand, gambling. Seduction, attraction, teasing, hooking up, and date, third party, temptation. Grounding, stability and security, performance, growth and endurance. Love call, expressing love, messages of love, thinking of you, informing you. Ship, cutting ties, moving on, receiving what you need, progression and arriving. Wedding rings, union and marriage, soul connection, everlasting love and devotion. Ascending, learning and expansion, transcending, preparing for union, new phase. Paradise, happiness and joy, playfulness, enjoying each other, honeymoon phase. Talking, talking, interesting, awaiting messages, texts, calls, email, talking more. Blowing kisses, unconditional love, giving and receiving, fairness and love, affection returned. Hammer, sabotage and rebuild, persistent, working on it, repairing. Passion, insane chemistry, sparks and having fun, equal interest, burning desire. Karmic relationship, resentments and triggers, perception, intensity and letting go, turmoil and fleeting. Shock, sudden change, shocking news, surprise and epiphany, transformation. Sword and rose, clarity and truth, revelations, honor and protection, determination. Cupid's arrow, having faith, love is coming, surprise invitation, struck by love. Separation, sadness, bitterness, missing you, thinking about you, uncertain future. तो ये थे, हमने सारे कार्ड्स देखे. तो मैंने काफ़ी यूट्यूबर्स को ये कार्ड्स यूज़ करते हुए देखा था और मुझे इन कार्ड्स के मैसेजेस भी अच्छे लगे. इन कार्ड्स के साथ गाइड बुक नहीं आती है, तो ये एक मेजर इशू है. लेकिन अगर आप बाकी कार्ड्स के साथ इन कार्ड्स को रिलेट कर पाते हैं या आपका इंट्यूशन अच्छा है तो आप तो आपके लिए ये कार्ड्स काफ़ी अच्छे रहेंगे। मुझे ये कार्ड्स काफ़ी पसंद हैं इसलिए मैंने आपसे शेयर किए। तो चलिए, ये था आज का कार्ड्स का रिव्यू और फ्लिप थ्रू। मैं जल्दी मिलूंगी आपके साथ नए कार्ड्स के रिव्यू और फ्लिप थ्रू से। तब तक टेक केयर, बी हैप्पी, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।